Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing of the Hobbywing Fusion SE. I chose this system specifically because of the project in the back. This is the Injora SX10 clone, and it requires a 540 motor. And the Fusion SE also requires less space on the chassis, which is perfect for the scale build. Okay, we have the user manual. Yeah, on this side, this is the Chinese language. If you flip it, I believe, yes, this is the English side. So for now, we'll just keep it and we'll just check it when we are programming the motor. So this is your on and off button. They include one cable tie, zip tie, what do you call it? And this is the motor. And they include one 3M double-sided tape for your on and off button. And this is the program cable, which you have to connect to the program card when you're programming. It comes with an XT60 connector as a standard, which you can replace later on. An ESC connection, and your on and off button. And this is where you connect the 3M. And this is where do you connect your program cable to your program card. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.